Today let's talk about a guess number higher or lower. So basically you have to use the function of guess to know if your guess number is higher or lower, right? Or equal. So -1 represent higher, 1 represent lower, 0 represent equal. And basically you can just traverse. So you can actually use a linear, like using all for loop to traverse every single one of them and to check, okay, this number is greater or lower, but you can actually be more optimized on your solution. You can use binary search, to be honest. So you have an I and J. So it's not starting from 0. This is because you're starting from 1 to n, right? So I said while I less than equal to J. So the reason why I use less than equal, this is because to avoid like, this is not about indices, so it's not starting from 0, right? And it's not end with a -1, so you have to use less than equal. And I need a k represent what, I plus j minus I divided by 2, so you avoid the overflow. So if guess number at k is actually equal to 0, which means I find it, I will return k, right? So if the number is too big, when I say number too big, I mean if guess at k is actually less than it's actually equal to what? Too big, I would say -1, right? If that is -1, which means I need to shift my high to k -1, right? I don't need k anymore. This is because if I know k, I already returned. But if I don't know k, so -1 represent the higher, the guess number is too high. So if this is too high, I'm going to say j equal to k minus 1. And if the number is too low, else number too low, I'm going to say I equal to k plus 1. And at the end, you can return anything. I'm going to return -1. And this is pretty much it. So this is about math, to be honest. So yes. So let's talk about time and space. For the while loop, it's going to be time. You are using what? Log n, right? N represent the n, right? And if you know the function for the guess, I mean, this should be constant for sure, I think. And this is space, constant. And this is pretty much the solution. And I will see you next time. Bye.